What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna cover how to play Be An Astronaut by Declan McKenna. And for this song we actually have a huge variation going on. So therefore we actually have likely I think there may be 15 chords. So just for this song I do this like for almost all my songs. I'll show you how to play the chords, even E minor chord in all of my lessons. But for this one we have to cover a lot of things. I told you we have a lot of variation in the song, so therefore you just have a look at a comment down below, see the chord shapes, be more familiar with that chord shapes. There are a lot of chords like a C dominant 7, then a C major 7. These are actually pretty easy to play, but they may be new to some of you guys. Then a B flat, which is a bar chord, F major. So if you just have any problem, any slight small problem, just drop a comment down below. But before that, have a look at the chord shapes down in the comment below for 5 minutes or more than that, and just place that on your guitar, play that, see how it sounds, and then just play along. If you know them, that's great. So let's get started. The structure is very important. So firstly, have a look at the structure. We start with the intro, then we have the verse. After that we have another verse, then a chorus, and then we have the next verse, next chorus, a solo, a chorus, and the outro with a lot of variation. So let's get started with the intro. So I hope you have seen all the chords and you have mastered all the chords. Pretty easy, A minor, A sus2. So let's play. The intro is basically, and now you're just gonna see how what I'm doing on my right hand. You can actually see my right hand right now, so see carefully what I'm doing. So it's a A minor and A sus2. So for the intro I just interchange between an A minor chord and the A sus2. A major, lift off your pinky, you get a 2 instead of that 3, so you got 1 2 3, 1 2 5, A sus2. So you're doing. So what I do is I do down, then I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. Again I down and I keep my hand. So I just repeat that twice for each chord. So down, down, A sus2, down, down. So down, then mute. And you just gonna repeat this whole sequence 8 times for the intro. So we got 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And after that you move on to the verse, and we have another lot of thing over here. So make sure you just hear the song a lot of time. I agree, this song is actually pretty hard to just show you everything on a video. Like you have to be in front of me to show, because there's a lot of different thing going on. But one major thing I just want to say, that if you guys request me, if you guys actually drop a comment down below, I don't think that only one guy, but likely just like 2 or 3, that will be enough. I will actually make a full cover, and I think that will be a lot clear for you guys, because when you hear the song I'm playing on guitar, you can actually understand on what word, what line I'm actually changing the chord shapes, and what all rhythm and stuff are there. So never mind. For the verse we again play the A minor and the A sus2. What we are doing, we do that thing for 8 times again for the verse. So we got, but at that time there's no lyrics going on, we just enter the verse. Then we actually come to a G chord. You do the exact same thing. After the G you move on to a F, and you are playing the F for 2 bar, which means we have 2 Fs. One more time. Then you have an E minor once, D minor, C, D minor, G, then a F, then a C, and then I actually play the C major 7. I do 1 down, I let it ring, and then I play a C7, but I strum till the G string. So C7 I just strum till the G string from the A string, and then I do a big down which strums till the B string, and I just let that it's a bit short, and I just move on to the next verse. So from the verse 1 it will sound something like this. Have a close look, make sure that you pause the video, practice, and then just play along. You can obviously replay as many times as you want. Verse. G, F, one more time. C, D minor, minor, G, F, C, C major 7, and you move on to the verse 2. And for the verse 2 again you have another different chord progression, but one thing is the verse 2 is very much similar to the verse 3. So verse 2, the chord progression will be a D minor, then A minor, then a D minor, then an A minor, then a C major, then a C6, which is basically a shape of an A minor, and we just add the pinky on over here on third fret. We get a 6 over here, and we get that bass note of the C. You can even play it like this. And after that we have F, then an E minor, then a D minor, then a C, and you play a G, and you actually move on to the chorus. Now the D minor, I do the exact same thing. So we have D minor, A minor, I do the exact same thing for the first 4 chords. Down, 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 and then I come to the C major and the C6. I just change the string pattern. I do down, down, up, up, down. So down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, C6. And then I move on to that F major chord, and I repeat the same thing, that I just go back to the string pattern, and I just strum the G string and let that ring, and I go to the chorus. So it's actually pretty confusing when you have like so much different variation and rhythms. And also we got the verse 2, C major, C6, sorry, F, E minor, D minor, C. And after that we actually move on to the chorus. And for the chorus, our chord progression will be a F, then a G, then a A minor, then a C, then a D minor, then a C, then a D minor, then a C. And that actually repeats twice, and you're actually done with the chorus. So chorus is a lot normal. So over here, likely focus on hearing the song and just do one down. It's not like the string pattern not be short, or the rhythm is not matching with the verse or the intro. Over here it actually goes a bit soft, down. You can even do 2 downstrokes if you want. F major, G, A minor, C, D minor, C, D minor, C. Repeat that. After that, you actually play the D minor. At the end, you play the D minor and you move on to the next verse, but the string pattern will be down, down, up, up, down, like we did for the pre-chorus C and C6 chord, but it goes 2 times. So D minor is repeated twice, in other words. Down, down, up, down. And after that, we have the next verse, a lot similar. So over here, the chord progression will be a D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, like the verse 2, C, then a C6 again, then an F, then an E minor, then a D minor, then a C, then a G. And after that, we actually come to another line, which will be F, G, A minor, D minor, C, D minor, so C. So C is actually comes to be some of the lines of the chorus repeating. So we're just going to do the same thing for the verse 3, A minor, D minor, down, down, up, down, C6, up, down, sorry, F, D minor, G, and when you move on to the next part, you're just going to do 1 down on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, and you let that ring and you move on to the chorus. And fortunately, the chorus is actually same. So we got that's basically the chorus. The chorus is actually same. That's good. That's good. And now we actually move on. But one thing is the chorus is actually same, but there comes a little bit variation at the end before you move on to the solo. Like you have the solo, but before that solo, we just have a slight thing to do. We play the B flat major chord, then a G, then an F. So before you enter to the solo, you're just gonna play B flat, G, F, one more, sorry. So B flat, G, F. And now we have that solo, and for that solo we actually have the chord progression starting with the C major chord. Let that ring, and now you're just gonna play. Just gonna play E minor, D minor, then an E minor, D minor, then a G, C. Okay? And you're just gonna play that line into 6. So you're just gonna play that line 6 times, which means E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor. So E minor, D minor, E minor, D. I'm sorry, I think it's 4 times. Sorry, 4 times. So we got E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, G, C. E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, G, C, and another 2 times. So C major, let that ring for 1 bar, 2 bar, and then you can just be a bit more louder when you move on the solo. E minor, E minor, E minor. So you repeat that for another 2 lines. So we just got another 2 lines, and then we have the G, then an F, then a C. And I have to do down, down, up, up, down for the G, F, C especially. And the C, I just do 1 down, let that ring, but it's optional. And then you have the chorus thing, and which is exactly similar as the other chorus, and again you have that outro, which is again a bit more instrumental like. But when you move on to the outro, before that again you will do like you play at F, G, A minor, D minor, C, D minor, C. But after that, when you just move on to the outro, you're just gonna play B flat, G, F, and you just go so, and you move on to the outro. Now for the outro, the chord progression will be a G. Now look carefully: G, F, G, C, D minor, C, D minor, C, and the next line is again same: G, F, G, C, D minor, C, D minor, C, and then we have G, F, C, D minor, F, F minor, and you come to the end of the song. So this will go with 1 down. So just put 1 down on each chord. So C, G, F, G, go to C, D minor, C, D minor. Repeat that whole section right now. Here comes to the end of the song, I think. And that's it. I agree, guys. I actually went a bit fast because Friday I have to cover a lot of music right now, so maybe I went a bit fast. But I told you, if you guys ask me, I will actually do for a cover, and that's gonna be hard for me also to play because there's a lot of variation, so it takes a lot of time to get habituated to that. But make sure you just drop me one of these, working very hard. So subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. Please help me to reach 2K subs. Subscribe. You have to subscribe, guys. So make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.